Welcome to the Wild Game Recipes. Today we're making elk burger with truffle aioli and wild mushrooms. This recipe takes 45 minutes to prep and 20 minutes to cook. Serve 6 and is medium difficulty. Ingredients: 2 pounds shoulder and neck mix ground elk, 8 ounces 15 to 20% fat content ground pork shoulder, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, half teaspoons black pepper, 1/4 teaspoons garlic powder, 2 tablespoons cold beef stock, 3/4 cup, preferably Kewpie mayonnaise, 2 to 3 tablespoons high-quality truffle oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, 1/4 teaspoons white pepper, 1/8 teaspoons kosher salt, 1 pound mixed wild mushrooms, chanterelles, 3 tablespoons butter, shallots, 2 cloves garlic, 1/4 cup white wine, 2 tablespoons fresh thyme, salt and pepper to taste, 6 brioche buns, 6 ounces aged Gruyere, 2 cups arugula and watercress mixed greens, and 1 large heirloom tomato. Step 1. Truffle aioli. Combine all aioli ingredients, whisk until smooth. Refrigerate minimum 1 hour for flavors to develop. Step 2. Burger mix. Gently combine elk and pork with seasonings and cold stock. Form into 6 patties slightly larger than buns, creating dimple in center. Refrigerate 30 minutes. Step 3. Mushroom preparation. Heat sauté pan over medium-high heat. Add mushrooms in single layer. Don't move for 3 to 4 minutes until golden. Season with salt and pepper after browning. Mushroom finishing. Add butter, shallots, and garlic. Sauté until shallots are translucent. Deglaze with wine, reduce by half, about 8 to 10 minutes. Finish with thyme and adjust seasoning. Step 5. Burger cooking. Preheat griddle to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Season patties just before cooking. Cook 4 to 5 minutes first side, flip once, cook 3 to 4 minutes more until 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal temperature. Step 6. Cheese melting. Add cheese slices in final 2 minutes, cover to melt evenly. Step 7. Assembly. Toast brioche buns lightly. Layer bottom bun with aioli, greens, elk patty with cheese, sautéed mushrooms, tomato, and top bun with additional aioli. And that's how you make elk burger with truffle aioli and wild mushrooms. Get this recipe and 400 more in the Wild Game Recipes app on the App Store. For more recipes, visit thewildgamerecipes.com.